Hi, let us understand how to read values of various form elements from a HTML file. For understanding purpose, let me go ahead and create a sample HTML file. New, other. I'm selecting HTML file, say next, and have the name of HTML file as different HTML elements.html. Next, I'll leave the default template as it is, say finish. Let me change the title and provide the form within the body. So I'm going to have text box, checkboxes, radio button, drop down, password field, as well as a text area, very similar to what we had as a part of the Servlet demo. Let me go ahead and create the JSP because the form will get submitted to this specific JSP. Right click, new JSP. Let me change the title and provide the body. I'm going to use the request object, and that is the implicit object available within the JSP. So I'll be using the method getParameter from the request object, and I will provide the name of the element from where I wanted to get the value. So I'm providing the customer name, customer age, and hobbies, like how I do have the name of the elements as customer name, customer age, and hobbies. Hobbies, it's a checkbox, so there are chances of getting the result as an array. So I am going to use the method getParameter values that will provide me an array of strings, and I will be iterating through the values using a iterator for loop. But otherwise, all the other elements I will be using the method getParameter. Let me save this JSP, execute this specific input HTML, right click, run as run on server. The server is in the stop state, so it should get started. And I do have the input HTML open in the browser. Let me provide the name, age, hobbies, and I spent 2 hours on hobbies, favorite subject, select science, and provide the OTP, the value for text area. Submit the form. So the value should be read by the servlet getting generated out of the result JSP, and it will get printed in the result JSP. So this is a good example on how to use various form elements within the JSP and how to read the values of the form elements that are getting submitted to a JSP.